Alright guys, this won't be long. I've got the stationary light set up so we can see into the plenum a little bit. Let's see if I can get in there so you guys can see. Now, it's hard to explain. More light than that. Okay, if you can take a look at the bottom of that edge there, you can see where I blew through to the bolt hole. Doesn't matter. These bolt holes go right through the plenum. But you see this edge? How do you think you need to treat that edge? Think of a cylinder head. In any case, that edge needs a tremendous amount of work, right? Let's see if I can see anything in this, in here at all. Sorry guys, working on it. Okay, I left it rough on the bottom, but the sides I left pretty smooth because I wanted to get a decent shape on it. First time I flowed this, I forgot to use a clay radius on top. But I think we're going to get a nice improvement out of this. Now, obviously, a clay radius is going to flow way more than a carburetor will. That was probably one of the things, I mean, I know that was one of the things that was on my mind, not even bother. But, and I should have done it anyway. I should have thrown a radius on it, I didn't. I want to show you guys just a handful of flows, and I want to try to sail a string in this. Let's go over the flows first. Okay, I've got a slight mistake on this. How unusual, right? These are my swirls. First one was just the clay radius. Second one was just the manifold. Okay, notice what happens to our CFM. We lose 14.6 CFM. About. Actually, this is 150.3. So we lose 15 just by the edge effect. And it knocks our swirl back. Now, the next one down was I added my 1 5/8" pipe. It went up 9. This is where I think it represents a modified 2-barrel on this manifold right now. Now, going through the cylinder head, we're on the quickie port. We're set for 0.475 lift. Okay. Notice we got more flow. What happened to our swirl? Went up. And the last one is an 1 5/8" pipe with an upside down 100 CFM calibration plate. I don't remember exactly what it flowed, but it knocked the flow down quite a bit. So that was 142.2, and it knocked our swirl down considerably, right? Okay, I got my string. Let's see if we can see anything, guys. This is not going to be easy, so be patient with me. Alright guys, not the easiest thing to photograph, but you got to remember that's our deep plenum. That has much more time for the flow to organize before it goes down the branch. I'm willing to bet that the upper H isn't gonna work out as well. But with the radius 176 or 178 as I got the first test, is not bad. We could make some power with that. Remind me to show you how I thought of a method to polish these corners, even though I can't get to them with a burr. Yeah, I can get a burr in this way. I can get a burr in this way and widen it a little bit, but then it has an extremely sharp edge, which may not improve our flow. But I thought of a way to polish this. Let's see if anyone knows how I did it. And yes, our lower branch from our lower plenum, I did try to polish those. Okay? I polished the bottom of these the best I could. The best I could. They're not perfect. They could use plenty more work. I just kind of wanted to do a first cut and see where we are. Now, overall, we got I don't even know how much of a gain we got. I'm going to say we definitely got a gain. Let's take a look at the last sheet. Okay, here I've got upper H with 1 5/8 pipe was 154 CFM. I did not mark which runner that was. And with our 1 5/8 pipe, we got 159.9. So it went up a little bit. Not as big a change as I would have expected. But it also may be a different runner, and I'm willing to bet it is. I would have to check the video, actually. But from now on, see, first cut, lower, number 6 port. Okay? Number 6 port is what we're checking out now. Alright, guys. Thanks for hanging out.